In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to efficiently generate a balance sheet report. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, knowing how to quickly access key financial reports is important for understanding the financial health of a business. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to go to QuickBooks. This is the platform where all your financial data is stored and organized. You can easily access it online via your web browser. Once you have QuickBooks open, you'll see a variety of options on your dashboard, which can understandably be overwhelming at first glance. But don't worry, we're going to focus on just what's necessary today. Next, you'll want to click on the Reports tab. This tab is typically located in the main navigation sidebar on the left side of your screen. It's an invaluable tool in QuickBooks as it houses all of the reports you'll need to analyze your business finances. Once you click here, you'll be taken to a section filled with different types of reports that QuickBooks can generate for you. From profit and loss statements to cash flow statements, there's a lot to choose from. However, for our aims, we want to focus specifically on the balance sheet. To pinpoint the balance sheet more quickly amidst all these options, you can utilize the search functionality. Go to the search bar, which is conveniently located at the top of the reports page, and type in balance sheet. You'll notice a list of options beginning to populate below as you type. Finding the balance sheet is crucial because it offers a snapshot of your company's financial standing at a particular moment. It lists your assets, liabilities, and equity, helping you understand what your business owns versus what it owes. After you type in balance sheet, click on the balance sheet option that appears below the search bar. Simple as that. Clicking this will direct you to the balance sheet report itself. Here you can view detailed financial information and even customize the report as needed to suit specific requirements or preferences. Finally, once you have accessed the balance sheet, you have the liberty to delve deeper into any of the data presented. The report is organized in a framework that balances the assets against the liabilities and equity, providing a clear overview of where your business stands. This concludes our walkthrough of accessing a balance sheet in QuickBooks. By following these simple steps, you can easily generate a balance sheet report that helps you gain deeper insights into your company's financial stability. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher, and happy accounting!